The year is 2030. The once ubiquitous smartphone, a device that dominated our lives for decades, is now fading into obsolescence. Like the dinosaurs before them, smartphones are facing an extinction event. This time, however, the meteor is not a celestial body, but a technological shift of seismic proportions. This is not science fiction, but a future rapidly approaching. The rapid evolution of augmented reality and artificial intelligence is driving a new wave of wearable technology. These devices, far more intuitive and integrated into our lives, are poised to relegate the smartphone to the back of the technological drawer. The writing is on the wall, or rather, projected onto our retinas. The future is hands-free, immersive, and personalized. It is a future where information is seamlessly woven into our reality, not confined to the rectangular prison of a smartphone screen. Leading this technological revolution are AR and AI wearables. These devices, ranging from sleek smart glasses to discrete earpieces, represent a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. Imagine a world where information is overlaid onto your vision, directions appear as you walk, and you can control your surroundings with a simple voice command. This is the promise of AR. No longer confined to the limitations of a smartphone screen, we can experience information in a truly immersive and intuitive way. Imagine attending a virtual meeting, collaborating on three-dimensional designs in real time, or learning a new skill with interactive holographic instructions, all while never taking your eyes off your surroundings. This seamless integration of technology into our reality is made possible by the rapid advancements in AI. These devices are not merely passive displays, they are intelligent companions, learning our preferences, anticipating our needs, and proactively providing us with relevant information. The shift towards wearables is not just a technological inevitability, it's what the users want. This growing demand is driven by the desire for convenience and seamless integration into daily life. Recent surveys indicate a growing preference for these devices, especially among younger generations who have grown up immersed in the digital world. These young users are not just passive consumers, they actively seek out the latest innovations to enhance their lifestyles. A 2023 study by Nielsen found that 65% of millennials and 72% of Gen Z respondents expressed interest in using AR glasses for everyday tasks. This interest spans a variety of applications, from navigation and communication to entertainment and education. These numbers paint a clear picture. The future of tech is wearable. The data suggests that as these technologies become more advanced and accessible, their adoption will only accelerate. People are eager to embrace a more immersive, hands-free way of interacting with technology. This shift is not just about convenience, it's about creating a more intuitive and natural user experience. This shift in user preference is a key driver behind the massive investments tech giants are pouring into AR and AI research and development. Companies are racing to innovate, knowing that the first to market with the most advanced and user-friendly devices will dominate the industry. The smartphone, once considered an indispensable part of modern life, is now facing an existential threat from these more intuitive and integrated devices. Wearables offer a level of convenience and functionality that smartphones simply can't match. The writing is on the wall, and the numbers don't lie. The future belongs to wearables. As we move forward, it's clear that these devices will play an increasingly central role in our daily lives, transforming how we interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where your glasses can provide real-time translations, your watch can monitor your health in unprecedented detail, and your home can respond to your needs without a single touch. This is not science fiction, it's the near future. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's important to recognize the profound impact these technologies will have. They will redefine industries, create new opportunities, and change the way we live and work. From healthcare to education, from entertainment to daily chores, wearables are set to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. The potential is limitless, and the journey has just begun. User preference speaks volumes, and the message is clear: the future is wearable. Section 4. Beyond the Screen, Voice Commands and a Connected World. In this section, we delve into the transformative power of voice commands and how they are reshaping our interaction with technology. The decline of smartphones also signals a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology. As we move away from the era of touchscreens and handheld devices, We are entering a new phase where voice commands and ambient computing take center stage. We are moving away from a screen-centric world to one where voice commands and ambient computing reign supreme. This shift is not just about convenience, it represents a profound change in how we interact with our environment and the technology that surrounds us. Imagine a home where lights adjust automatically to your mood, responding to your voice commands without the need for physical interaction. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that is rapidly becoming commonplace. Music follows you from room to room, creating a seamless auditory experience that adapts to your preferences and activities. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or relaxing in the living room, your favorite tunes are just a voice command away, and appliances anticipate your needs, making your daily routines more efficient and enjoyable. Your refrigerator can suggest recipes based on its contents, and your oven can preheat itself when it's time to cook. This is the promise of a truly connected world, where technology fades into the background, seamlessly integrated into our environment. It's a world where our homes are not just smart but intuitive, understanding our needs and responding accordingly. Voice assistants, powered by increasingly sophisticated AI, will become our primary interface with this connected ecosystem. These assistants will not only perform tasks but also learn from our behaviors, becoming more attuned to our preferences over time. Need to schedule an appointment, order groceries, or control your home's temperature? These tasks, once requiring multiple steps and interactions, can now be accomplished with a simple voice command. Or, control your home's temperature? Just speak, and your home listens, adjusting the thermostat to your desired setting without you lifting a finger. A simple voice command will suffice. This ease of use is transforming how we manage our daily lives, making technology more accessible and less intrusive. This shift towards voice and ambient computing liberates us from the tyranny of the screen. No longer do we need to be glued to our smartphones to stay connected or manage our tasks. No longer tethered to our smartphones, we can engage more fully with the world around us. This newfound freedom allows us to be more present in our daily lives, enjoying moments without the constant distraction of screens. The future promises a more natural, intuitive, and ultimately, more human way of interacting with technology. As voice commands and ambient computing become more prevalent, we can look forward to a world where technology enhances our lives without overwhelming us. Section 5. Smartphones fade out, a market in decline. The once dominant smartphone market is now facing a significant downturn, a stark contrast to its golden years of rapid growth and innovation. The ramifications of this technological shift are already being felt in the marketplace. Companies that once thrived on smartphone sales are now scrambling to adapt to the changing landscape, seeking new avenues for growth and innovation. Global smartphone sales, once a reliable indicator of growth, have plateaued in recent years, signaling a market reaching saturation. This stagnation is a clear sign that consumers are no longer as eager to upgrade their devices as frequently as they once did. Meanwhile, the wearable technology sector is experiencing explosive growth. Devices such as smartwatches, fitness trackers, and other wearables are capturing the imagination of consumers, offering new functionalities and conveniences that smartphones cannot match. Analysts predict that by 2030, the AR/VR market alone will be worth over $1.5 trillion, dwarfing the smartphone market. This projection underscores the immense potential of augmented and virtual reality technologies, which promise to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. This shift in market dynamics is a clear indication of the changing technological landscape. As new innovations emerge, they reshape consumer preferences and redefine what is considered cutting-edge technology. As consumers embrace the convenience, immersion, and personalized experiences offered by wearables, the once mighty smartphone is being relegated to a niche device. Smart glasses, for instance, are providing users with hands-free access to information, making smartphones seem cumbersome in comparison. The future belongs to companies that can deliver on the promise of a seamlessly connected, hands-free world. Smart home setups, where various devices work in harmony, are becoming increasingly popular, highlighting the demand for integrated technology solutions. This transition will not be without its challenges. Companies will need to navigate a complex landscape of technological integration, user adoption, and market competition to succeed in this new era. Issues of privacy, security, and digital equity will need to be addressed as we become increasingly reliant on these new technologies. Ensuring that user data is protected and that access to these innovations is equitable will be crucial for their widespread adoption. However, the potential benefits from increased productivity and efficiency to enhanced social interactions and a more fulfilling life are simply too great to ignore. Wearable technology and smart home devices offer the promise of a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our experiences and making everyday tasks more manageable. As we look ahead, it's clear that the technology landscape will continue to evolve, driven by innovation and consumer demand. The companies that can anticipate these changes and adapt accordingly will be the ones that thrive in this new era of technological advancement. In conclusion, while the smartphone market may be in decline, the broader tech industry is far from stagnant. New opportunities are emerging and the future holds exciting possibilities for those willing to embrace change and push the boundaries of what's possible.